Addressing patent challenges in 3D printing medical applications. Patentable aspects in 3D printing medical applications include customized devices, biocompatible materials, advanced printing processes, and smart features in medical devices. Challenges in patenting 3D printed medical devices include proving novelty, aligning with regulatory approval processes, and navigating existing patents. Patent opportunities exist for customized prosthetics, orthotics, and implants designed for individual patient needs. Patent infringement risks in 3D printing include unauthorized design replication, global counterfeiting, and the need for robust patent enforcement. Patent attorneys help draft strong claims, navigate regulations, ensure global protection, and maximize patent security while avoiding infringement. Contact us today to streamline your patent process and safeguard your innovations.